What's up guys, hope you guys are doing well. So right now I'm recording live just to see what's gonna happen, and I'll do a little recap. If I win or lose, doesn't matter, that's the trade. And yeah, let's see what we can do here. So I'm already at a 1-2, and honestly I should stay consistent and just close it. But we have this liquidity right there, we have this liquidity right there, and this higher time frame gap. So this zone right there, it's a 1-4, and over here 1-3, and here 1-2, right? So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen once we sweep this, and then I'll decide if I'm gonna close or not. But as of right now, the 1-2 already have been hit. So yeah, let's just see what's gonna happen. I can explain. Market open, we didn't do anything. We were into a 5-minute gap, but I didn't get any entry. Then we swept London and Asia high. Once we swept them, full reversal, we invert this 1 minute, and I'm already up around a 1.3 RR is right there. I'll probably close at a 3 RR once we sweep this, unless we just start pushing more, then I'll just close at this wick low right there, right? But yeah, we'll see. As of right now, we just swept this low, so with the reaction that I'm gonna get, we'll decide what I'm gonna do. Because that's the thing, guys. Take a portion of the pie, take a portion, and just be happy with the thing. 1-3 just have been hit, so I'm up 3 RR right now. Let's see what's gonna happen. We have 20 more seconds. I'm gonna close here. I don't want to risk it. Beautiful trade today. Beautiful trade today. Reason why I closed here, honestly guys, I just don't want to deal with drawdown. I already had my 1-2 and more. We tapped into this higher time frame gap. What can happen now is we retrace all the way here to fill this gap, and then either price is gonna go lower or higher, right? I don't want to deal with this. That was my entry, if you guys want proof. Beautiful. Wow, we're up 1.630, 1.640, 1.630. Let's go do the math. See guys, at this point, nice, 1630 multiply by 5, minus 20%, 6520, 6520 USD to CAD. Beautiful, around 9k. Nice. 8920. Say 8,900. 8,900 plus, how much did we make? Yesterday I made 1.5. The day before I made 1.5. And on Apex I made 38,600. Nice. We just hit our first 50k month. Beautiful. On February I hit 46 to 47, so it wasn't 50k. It doesn't matter, but I'm just saying. Wow, really grateful. Always thank God, guys, right? 57,500. And we still have what, 1 week left? Beautiful. All that before 10 a.m. Let's go check the chart. TP would have hit, and I knew we were going to sweep this, like I said, but I just didn't want to wait for the retrace, which we got our little retrace at 9:57. Doesn't really matter. 1-2 has been hit. Normally I close at a 1-2. Today we had some more target, we get target, and also we're in the market, not in the market. Dang, I can't even talk. Beautiful trade, that's all I have to say. And you know guys what? We're probably gonna go all the way below here, because here we have a bunch of liquidity right there and people's order. So most likely, at least right there, 7 RR, easy 7 RR, but it doesn't matter. I took a piece. This week alone, yeah, this week alone, I already made more than 10k. I made 18k. What? I made 18k this week. Anyway, thank you guys for liking, thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for the support. Here, let's go check YouTube Studio. I think yesterday's video popped a lot. Or let me just check it on my phone. Yeah, 1.1k view. I know it's a short, but still, really grateful. How much energy? But yeah, beautiful day, guys. I don't want to keep it longer than that. Thank you guys for watching. Told you guys, all the way down. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow.